Seedream 4.0 is the AI image generation and image editing model that is dominating the global AI market right now. And you can use it completely free inside CapCut. Yes, you heard it right. CapCut is not only a video editing tool right now, but a complete AI platform. Meet CapCut AI Design, powered by Seedream 4.0, a natural chat-style AI design prompting for quick edits. This is AI that actually understands your prompts better than any other tool. With CapCut's AI design tool, you can generate designs with one click, instantly create multiple designs or mockups with one single click, edit your design in a smart way using AI with a built-in editor, generate multiple design variations for testing, and many more. First, we need to go to CapCut.com to download the free version. We have to use the desktop version of CapCut to use the AI design platform. So just go to CapCut.com and press on the download button and install CapCut on your desktop. Just follow the installation steps and press on Start Now once it's ready. You will be directed to a similar interface where you can see the AI design feature on the upper right corner, or you can access it from the left menu through the AI design tab. So there are many other features inside CapCut, but we are not going to discuss it. Throughout this video, we're going to focus on the AI design features. So let's press on the AI design button, and this will take us to a board where you can enter a prompt, upload image, or get some inspiration using the sample designs or the sample prompts that are provided by CapCut. You can create multiple designs like a product poster set, pixel art poster, animated poster, model image, photo editing, and much more. So if you press on any of these sample prompts, you will get to see how the prompt works and the final result. So let's go back to our prompt box, and I'm going to paste my prompt asking it to have the character wear and showcase all the products given above in a casual fashion style, standing in a minimal studio background with soft lighting, realistic portrait photography, and editorial style. And I'm going to upload a model and some products that I would like the model to wear. So, and of course you can use the upload image button to upload your images. So this is my model, and I'm going to upload this design that I have created before on a t-shirt mockup, in addition to this pair of sunglasses, and press on send. And this will take us to another canvas where you get to see the AI design works its magic on the right side. So it starts to think and analyze the prompt that you have given, and then it is going to start working. But what makes it different is that this AI design feature inside CapCut, it really works as a designer. So it starts to analyze the prompt and then responds in a written way before it gives you the final design. So it says that I will have the model wear the sunglasses and the t-shirt, placing him in a minimal studio with soft editorial style lighting. And this is the result we got. So I wanted it to keep the hat. So I'm going to upload the model image again and upload all the products one more time. And I'm going to make him wear the attached products while keeping his hat on. So just trying to be more specific, and I'm using the same thread, so it should understand that I still want the model to be in a studio atmosphere. And as you can see, it starts to respond by writing some replies. So it confirmed that it will dress the model in the sunglasses and the t-shirt you provided, making sure he keeps his hat on. It really understands the prompt in a better way than most AI models do. It communicates to show you that it gets what you're trying to do. And this is the image that we got. It's perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for, the same exact model, but this time it keeps his hat on with my design on the t-shirt and the sunglasses. And of course you can download any image from the above button, from the upper button. And if you select an image, you will get to see a new upper menu that pops up. You can crop the image like so and press on the check mark, or you can remove the background or use any of these AI tools which are built in every time you select an image. You can expand the image, remove some parts, upscale it, or in Paint feature which allows you to add some details or some parts on the selected part of the image. Now let's change the background color to red. I asked the designer to change the background color to red, and it instantly changed the background as requested. And now I'm going to use the crop tool to crop the image like so and press on the check mark. And then while the image is selected, I'm going to press on the in Paint and highlight the area around the neck, and I'm going to add a golden chain around the neck and press on generate. And here we get to see a chain is added to his neck. It's a little bit large compared to his body, but of course you can always in Paint again and get another result. So this time I'm going to press on the remove background button and press on the quick select to recognize any character on the image and understand the background. So now you can highlight the subject and press on generate to remove the background from the image. And within a couple of seconds you get to see the image without the background. And our model now is wearing a golden chain without the background. And of course you can also upscale the image using the upper menu whenever needed, and then press on download, and the image is downloaded in a PNG format. Now let's use a prompt to generate a design from start. I was looking for a design that is more of an angelic illustration with splashes. So I've added, I'm going to leave the prompt in the description. I wanted to create the design from scratch, and it starts to think. And as you can see the reply, it says that it's going to design a striking illustration of the angel capturing the dramatic vintage poster. But this is not enough. It even created a design brief for itself. So if we open the design brief, it created an overall style, a central figure piece, background and composition, and typography. So I did not input all of this information, but the AI design tool created it for itself. And this is the design that we get. It's a perfect design, but I would like to change the background color to white. So I'm going to change the background color to white. And now we get to see the design with a white background, but I don't like the text at the bottom. It has a typo. So now I'm going to place the design on a white t-shirt mockup and press on generate. And this is the result that I get. The design is perfectly placed on a t-shirt mockup. I even asked it to change the text, the lower text, to choose your destiny, and it changed the text to choose your destiny and remove the old one. Now place the design on the back of a male model wearing a white hoodie in an outdoor warm atmosphere, and this is the result that I got. So let's download our design, and this time I'm going to upload the downloaded design to my prompt box, and I'm going to add the attached design on multiple products, including a white t-shirt, a mug, and a white hoodie, in addition to a block note. So I would like to create multiple design variations of mockups with this design. And again, the AI design feature starts to think and apply the design on multiple mockups according to my prompt. And here are the results that I got. The design is perfectly placed on a white t-shirt, a mockup, the back of a hoodie, in addition to a block note. And of course you can select any of these images and download it using the upper button. Now let's go back to our home screen and upload one of the mockups of the design, and I'm going to ask to create a cohesive set of 4 Instagram post designs for casual clothing brand campaign using the attached design. So it's a detailed prompt elaborating what I am looking for in my 4 Instagram posts, and here are the results that I got. Again, the AI model created a design brief for itself, explaining the mood for each of the 4 Instagram posts, explaining the colors, the mood, the details, the background, and the decorative elements. And here are the 4 Instagram posts that were generated. All of them are perfect, showing the streetwear vibe that I have added to my prompt, and all of them showing the design on model. Perfect style, truly matching the design vibe. So right now, grab CapCut for PC, open AI Design, and create your first print-ready t-shirt graphics in just 5 minutes. Just describe what you're looking for and let Seedream 4.0 work its magic. Link to CapCut PC is in the description. Remember, use Seedream 4.0 for free across CapCut while it's still available. See you in future tutorials.